Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back.
How are you today?
I hope you are feeling good, relaxed, and ready to learn English.
Maybe you are working,
Maybe you are resting.
or maybe you are thinking about your job.
Yes, because today's topic is very useful.
Very useful for real life.
Today we will learn
How to talk about your job in English.
simple English,
Easy English.
beginner English.
People always ask this question.
What do you do?
Yes, very common question.
Sometimes scary question too.
Yes, sometimes. But don't worry.
We will help you step by step.
Before we start,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to the channel.
We make simple English for you every day.
Okay, let's start very simple.
Very simple.
The question is, what do you do?
Let's say it slowly.
What do you do? This means
What is your job?
another question is, what is your job?
Let's repeat.
What do you do? What is your job? Now you try.
Good. Very good.
Now, how do we answer?
Very easy.
You can say, I am a,
I am a.
for example, I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
I am a driver.
I am a driver.
Let's repeat slowly.
I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am a driver.
Wilbert, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Yes, you are a teacher.
And you?
I am a teacher too.
Oh no, two teachers.
Yes, double English.
Let's learn more jobs.
Yes, more vocabulary. I am a nurse. I am a student. I am a waiter. I am a cook.
Let's repeat slowly.
I am a nurse. I am a student. I am a waiter. I am a cook.
Now you try. Good job.
Now let's add more information.
Yes, make longer sentences.
You can say, I work in,
I work in.
for example, I work in a hospital.
I work in a hospital.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I work in a restaurant.
I work in a restaurant.
Now combine it. I am a doctor. I work in a hospital.
I am a teacher. I work in a school.
Let's repeat slowly. I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. I am a teacher. I work in a school.
Wilbert, I have a question.
Okay.
What if I say I am a pizza?
No.
Why not?
Because you are not food.
Okay.
Say, I eat pizza, not I am pizza.
Very important.
Now let's talk about what you do at work.
Simple actions.
You can say, I help people.
I help people.
I talk to customers.
I talk to customers.
I use a computer.
I use a computer.
Let's repeat slowly.
I help people. I talk to customers. I use a computer.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions.
What do you do?
Where do you work?
What do you do at work?
Very good. Keep going.
Great job today.
You are learning step by step,
Slowly
clearly.
and confidently. In the next part,
We will practice more real conversations.
and help you speak more naturally.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your job?
We want to read your answer.
See you in part 2.
Bye-bye.